Learn Japanese plain form ふつうけい Hello, this is Kiki. こんにちは、キキです。Our team to learn Japanese ファティマさんです。佐藤さんです。Today, we are going to learn ふつうけい plain form. In Japanese, we have polite, formal style conversation. We use 何々です or 何々ます and casual style conversation. So in casual style conversation, we have different form of verbs and different form of adjectives, and then some other differences. So today, we focus on the verb and the casual style verb we called 普通形 plain form. So today's agenda, first introduction. I'm going to introduce the difference between polite style conversation and casual style conversation, and then introduce what is plain form. Second, how to use conversation between Fatima-san and Sato-san, and then third, phrases from Demon Slayer. So let's get started. First, introduction. So, 普通形 is the form used in casual style conversation. So, in Japanese society, polite style are more common. For example, this is the conversational style to elderly people or senior or people who are not close to you. For example, this style is used at work, 仕事中 or 初めて会う人 people we haven't met before. So basically, it's safe to use polite form, the style we have learned so far. However, when we talk to close people, we can use casual style. For example, to talk to families and talk to friends, we use casual style conversation. Then today, plain form, we only focus on form of verbs today. I'm going to show the differences between polite style and casual style. For example, polite style, we say おはようございます。おはようございます。However, casual style, we just say おはよう。おはよう to my mom or to our families. Another example, in polite style, let's say it's at work. 外国に行ったことがありますか？外国に行ったことがありますか？ Casual style, we say 外国行ったことある？外国行ったことある？ So, basically, casual style, we skip particle, then delete か and then just say 外国行ったことある But we also change the form of verb あります from あります to ある So today we focus on the form of verbs we call plain form. So let's learn how to make plain form. For example, this verb 食べます食べます Polite form 食べます Past 食べました Present negative 食べません Past negative 食べませんでした Plain form 食べる Present 食べた Past 食べない Present negative 食べなかった Some of you already noticed we have learned so far. For example, 食べる is dictionary form. 食べた is た form. 食べない is ない form. If you don't know how to make these forms, please go to the description section. We have videos for these forms. Then, 食べなかった past negative This is new. So, past negative plain form, we delete E and then add 勝った。Another example, 行きます go 行きます polite form 行きます行きました行きません行きませんでした plain form 行く行った行かない行かなかった行く is dictionary form 行ったた form 行かないない form 行かなかった This is new delete E and add 勝った This is plain form Second, how to use Casual conversation, casual style conversation お腹すいたなもうご飯食べたうん食べたお腹すいたなお腹すいたFormal way is お腹がすきました。And すきました is past tense but すきますお腹がすきます means I'm hungry and すきます is group 1 This verb is group 1 verb and we already learned 聞きます聞いた before ます we can hear sounds of E so this is group 1 and before ます we can see the ひらがなき we conjugate with E so it's same rule applies to すきます so すきますすいたお腹すいたな This na is the end of the sentence, so just ignore this is spice. もうご飯食べたもう is already. ご飯 means food or rice. Or it depends on the context, but this case, ご飯 means lunch or food. 食べた is た form of 食べました. But this is the verb, so this is plain form. But it's same as た form. So we already know how to make た form. So 食べます This is group 2 verb because before ます we can hear sounds of 食べます So this is group 2 and how to make た form is delete ます and add た So 食べます食べた So 食べた This is た form but also plain formお腹すいたなもうご飯食べた And Fatima さん replies うん食べたmeans yes 食べたI ate and this is casual conversation so the reply also is casual because in formal conversation we have to say hi This is polite, but casual conversation, we just delete polite essence, so not hi, and 食べた Third phrases from Demon Slayer. So, from Demon Slayer Episode 14, after Tsuzumi Mansion's battle, 3 of them are injured. Then Zenitsu said, 3人ともあばらが折れてるとはな。3人ともあばらが折れてるとはな。2本、3本、4本。So, in Demon Slayer, these 3 are the same rank. Because they joined Demon Slayer Corp at the same time. So they are not senior, they are not junior, so they don't have any hierarchy within 3. Then, so they can use casual style conversation to talk each other, right? Yes. Then, 3人. So, 3 means 3. 人, this is counter for people. This 人, this kanji means people 3人 とも is all. So all three of us means 三人とも。Then あばらが折れてる。あばらが折れてる。So あばら means this. So あばら骨、あばら is here and 骨 means bones. But あばら is this and あばら is thin and long. So when we count あばら骨, ribs, bone, we can use counter for thin and long object that is home or pom or bom. And kanji is this kanji. So if you are not familiar with counters for thin and long object, please go to above link so you can learn how to use counter for thin and long object. Then 2本 2 ribs, 3本 3 ribs, 4本 4 ribs. So 3 of them have broken ribs. Then 折れてる Let's say if we cut here and if we stop here, we can consider this 折れてる is plain form because these people are using casual style conversation. And formal way to say 折れてる is 折れています。So this is timeline. 折れました Got a broken bone. 折れました Then 折れています。折れています。So this is the form plus います。折れています。Then, how to make dictionary form of 折れています。So います。This is group 2. So, dictionary form of います is いる。Then, 折れている。But when we speak, we tend to skip something, and in this case, Zenitsu skip E. So he said, 三人ともあばらが折れてる。Here, 三人ともあばらが折れてる。And from that, this is advanced, but I will explain the spice of this part. とはな。とはな。This is shorter version of何々とは思わなかった。I just add 思わなかった in this context. So, he said 三人ともあばらが折れてるとはな means とは思わなかった。So this implies surprise. So this とはな is surprise. And 思わなかった This is plain form and past negative. So 思います This is a polite form and ない form is 思わない思わない and then delete E and 思わなかった思わなかった past negative. So I'll repeat again. 三人ともあばらが折れてるとはな。三人ともあばらが折れてるとはな。I hope you get the sentence. Thank you for watching. 見てくれてありがとう。